1,350 pets attended a pet parade. 5/9 of the pets were dogs. 2/5 of the dogs were males. How many male dogs were there? I'm going to write my sentence, leaving a space for my answer, and I'm going to begin drawing my bar model. I know that I'm wanting to find a fraction of a whole, so this is going to be a part whole model. I'm going to begin by drawing my full bar, and then I'm going to take it one line at a time in order to label everything that I need and solve. So the first line says 1,350 pets attended a pet parade. Well, that's the whole amount, or the total. So I can label my whole bar 1,350. Now I'm going to go on to my second line. It says 5/9 of the pets were dogs. Well, the denominator of 9 tells me that I can break this bar up into 9 parts. And 5 of those parts are dogs. So I'm going to shade in 5 parts to show that 5/9 of the pets were dogs. So now looking at this bar model, I know that the lighter shade is showing my dogs. I'm going to go on to the next line of the problem. 2/5 of the dogs were males. So now I'm just looking at the dogs. The dogs are just the lighter shade. I see that I have 5 boxes that are the lighter shade. And I'm now being told that 2/5 of the dogs are males. So if I have 5 in all, I can show 2/5. I'm going to now label 2 of those boxes male dogs. And that's showing 2/5 of the dogs as male dogs. And I'm putting a question mark there because I want to know how many male dogs were there. So now I have everything labeled. And if I take a step back and just look at this problem, I can see that I want to find 2/9 because male dogs are 2 units out of a total of 9 units in the entire bar. I want to find 2/9 of my total, which is 1,350. Now I could cross cancel here, but I'm going to have to do long division to do that anyway, so I'm just going to multiply my numerator, keep my denominator the same, and solve. So here I just need to multiply my numerators, so that's 2 times 1,350, so I can change of to times, and that equals 2,700, and I'll have 9 in my denominator. Now we know that that fraction line literally means divided by. So I'm now solving 2,700 divided by 9, which can be solved mentally. 9 goes into 27 3 times, and that's going to be 300s. I have those 2 zeros on there. So 2,700 divided by 9 equals 300. And that is my question mark. I just solved 2/9 of 1,350. I can cross out my question mark, write in my answer, and put my answer in my sentence. There were 300 male dogs.